You know, people often come up to me and ask, how did you build your first million? And I always tell them the same thing. It wasn't magic, and it wasn't luck. It was a simple plan that I followed with discipline. When I was a kid, I didn't come from money. I worked small jobs, saved what I could, but more importantly, I learned how to make my money work for me. Most people think saving is the whole game. It's not. Saving is step one. Investing is step two. I bought my first stock as a teenager. I didn't know much at the time, but I learned one thing fast. Money grows when you give it time to grow. Most people wait for the perfect moment. The truth? If you wait for perfect, you'll never start. By the time I was in college, I was obsessed with understanding how businesses actually worked. Not stock prices, not hype, the business. How does it earn? Who are its competitors? Does it have an advantage? I read until my eyes hurt, hundreds of pages a day, because the more you understand, the fewer surprises you face. Later, when I started managing money for a few people I trusted, my approach was simple. Buy solid companies at reasonable prices. Not weak companies just because they're cheap. No tricks, just logic, patience, and math. And yes, I made mistakes. Everyone does. I invested in businesses that looked attractive on the surface, but were terrible underneath. But here's the difference. I didn't ignore my mistakes. I learned from them, adjusted, and moved forward. Most people lose money not because they're wrong, but because they stay wrong, out of pride or fear. The real key to wealth is patience. The market rewards the person who lets time do the heavy lifting, not the person jumping in and out every week. When you find a strong company, hold it long enough to let compounding do its job. That's where the real growth happens. Markets will crash. They always do. But the people who panic are the ones who suffer. The people who stay calm are the ones who win. A stock isn't a lottery ticket. It's a piece of a real business. If you don't understand that business, you shouldn't buy even one share. The smartest investors aren't the loudest ones or the ones with the fanciest strategies. They're the ones who stay rational when everyone else is emotional. Wealth isn't built by taking huge risks or chasing trends. It's built by making consistent, intelligent choices over long periods of time. You don't need a huge salary, a high IQ, or a perfect plan. You only need three things: discipline, patience, and knowledge. Start with what you have. Invest something, even if it's small. Learn a little every day. Keep your emotions out of your decisions. The biggest mistake isn't choosing the wrong investment. The biggest mistake is never investing at all. Your future wealth is being decided right now. Every day you wait is a day you lose to compounding. If you stick with good habits long enough, your story will change. And one day, someone will be asking you how you made your first million.